Hi, I'm Pauline, I'm French. I am traveling around Slovenia to discover traditional music. Let me introduce my crew. Camille at the sound and Julia behind the camera. I heard about a very special family in Krško, Toni Sotošek family, and we have the chance to meet them this morning.
Pozdravljeni, mi smo družina Sotošek, ste pred našo hišo, pred našo sliko. Pred nas se veliko stvari dogaja, ker je pač več otrok. Bojo pa zdaj kar sami povedali svoje imena in svoje starosti in svoje inštrumente.
Sem Miha, star sem 12 let in igram trobento.
Sem Matic, star sem 16 let in igram klarinet.
Sem Jaka, star sem 7 let, igram harmoniko in klavir. Zdravo, jaz sem Eva, igram violino, star sem 5 let.
Sem Toni, star sem 16 let, igram pozavno, bariton, bas, kitaro in klavir, obiskujem drugi letni konzervatorijo za glasbo in balet Maribor.
Zdravo, sem Darja, mamica vseh teh otrok in skrbim za njih, da rastejo in uživajo v svoji mladosti.
Te v Krško cesta pripelja do kraja lepega.
Evo, this is Slovenian X.
Homemade fat.
Why is
That's
this is
svirki,
good.
that's
Very good.
Fried pig's fat.
Koža, ne, koža, kak se reče.
That's skin and fat. And that's a homemade cherry liqueur.
so
If you want to
Daj proba.
taste it,
You want to taste it?
it's sweet.
It's sweet, it's good.
yeah, let's
It contains alcohol.
Eno more padeti. Super.
full of wine.
Na zdravje.
Let's
Prav za zdravje.
Sweet.
It's not strong.
yes, no, it's not strong.
Hey, this I don't eat.
It's sweet.
Okay.
Yes, very sweet.
You want another kid? Or it's enough now?
Enough.
It's enough.
It's enough? You don't want a bigger band? She's the more instruments? She's the last one for sure?
Sigurno.
Ah!
Muha.
Five is a good number. Like it's
I love children.
Preprosta in prva beseda je hrana, pijača in moč. Čeprav se takrat ne zavedaš, je prva, ko rabiš pomoč. So prvi koraki in padci, to lažbo navedno ti daš. Življenju naprav svetovati, le ti, draga mamica, znaš. Mamica iz srca,
This is called from school.
ni besed, ni zlata, saj zlato si ti, mamica.
So why is it so important for you that young people keep playing this music?
It's good. Jaka pedol, no?
Jaki.
It's good. Kamikaza. It's good for spirit, for nationality, because this music comes from Slovenia, and all Europe countries played this music. Oberkrein music. Oberkrein. You know, these are genets of arsenic, legends of music. Like Mozart or Beethoven in classic music, is arsenic in this. Yeah, voilà. Thank you. I can give you this. It's for you.
Oh, thanks.
We make 7 years one big picnic of harmonica of my students.
All of them
Good,
are
yeah.
your students.
Yeah, very good. Tak, fešta
Versta?
If I take this, I play the same system. Check it.
When did you start?
I was 8 years old.
And why did you want to play?
I don't know. This is my wish from when I see harmonica I cry. Ne možeš izbaciti. Ti ne rabiš preveč zraka, veš? Pa roke ne držati tle, bolj gori roke.
Spodnji basta.
Ja, tako je, aj. Ok, dotle znamo, gremo še nekaj dotle poloviti. Dotle znamo zdaj, drži? Še nekaj pijemo, ajde. Nec se bati. Ajde, brez basu, ne?
Kaj si tukaj, da?
Prav, ja. Skupaj. Pazi, kaj smo pri vas, skupaj. Končaš?
Bravo.
V redu? Tako se učimo. He's now still starting, but he's talent. So, every day, 10 minutes.
Every day?
Čestitam. Dobro, gdje da?
Dobro.
V redu?
Hvala, Jaka. Hvala.
Reči prosim.
Prosim.
Ni zakaj. Dobro.
Ti si dol?
Ja.
Je tam. Bomo probali? Znate video, ne? Pa kar na glavo. Ne, sam eno glasno. Ajde, 3, 4. Marko skače po zeleni trati. Aj, po zeleni trati. Just turn it. Blow.
Here is what?
That's the valve.
Are you famous in Krško?
Many people know us as a good soloists and maybe as a members of our unique family.
Do you get more girls thanks to this?
Maybe. I hope.
Nobody writes you later.
At Facebook I got messages. I love you, you're beautiful, you play great.
Don't laugh at me.